guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Mary and this is ASMMary. So it's kind of early in the morning. I think it's 8, but I think because we're getting closer to how is it called? It's spring, summer, winter, and the other one, oh, I forgot about it, goddamn. Sorry. So we're close to this next station, the one that comes after spring, summer, and it's the light of the day comes a little bit delayed per se. So it's quite. It feels like it's quite early in the morning. So as you might be able to hear already, there's a lot of birds chirping and bugs making their sounds. So I thought, because my neighbor is not close to highways and stuff, it's actually really close to the forest and trails and all that. So there's a lot of life here, and I was thinking that probably I could let you enjoy the sounds of beautiful nature. So I'm actually sitting in the back door, the door from the basement, and this is actually a really peaceful place. Whenever I want to read or I feel like I'm kind of upset, I come here and I think. Do you hear that? I don't want to mess up too much with the mic because I forgot the popping thingy somewhere, and well, I'm grabbing it with my hand, so I hope you can hear this kind of sounds you get when you are mishandling the mic or touching it too much, or even with the piece. I think I'm actually gonna put on the popping thingy. Okay, this is much better. I'm not gonna be talking too much shit, guys. I just want you to enjoy around. And this is a background noise mic. This mic capture very nice the sounds of the nature. There's a lot of extra sounds like the AC turning off or well, this is not suburbia or whatever. So we might still be able to listen to cars going up or down the street right there, or even cars from far. I don't usually wake up this early, but because I wasn't feeling quite good the past few weeks, but I'm back on track. So I go to the gym at 5 in the morning and come back at 7, pretty much 6:30. So I got home like 1 hour ago. I had some errands I needed to run into, and this is one of them. I'm gonna walk around and show you close-ups from stuff like beautiful water on the leaves. I don't know how do you call this, but look at, for example, this wet spider webs. And here's a little spider. I don't think you might be able to see it, not even the camera, but it's right there. It's a teeny tiny spider. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can focus on my steps too. You know, all the stepping on branches and that, so I can make some nice crispy sounds. I don't know what this might be. This looks like seeds or little fruits. Little fruit. That's crazy. Nature is so unique in so many ways. The other day I was sitting in the same back door, and I heard some noise coming from this part, and when I turned to see what was making that sound, I saw a deer with his little baby, with his little Bambi, and shortly after a bunny passed by me running, and I wish I could tell you the story from the first time that I saw a bunny here, because I've been living here for 5 months pretty much, and the first time it was involved with my dog, and it didn't end up very well. It was a bunny, actually, well, a little baby rabbit. It got a little more darker. I don't think you might be able to see it, but it's cloudy. The whole sky is cloudy, so it might start raining in a bit. So sorry. Can you hear the drops of water falling into the roof? Well, on top of the roof. I really like that sound. If I was to choose between sleeping, listening to music, or sleeping, listening to the sound of the rain, I would definitely choose rain. The sound of the rain is so relaxing. Even now, I think the day it's starting for other people. Just right now, noisy cars are coming from up the street. So this will be a short video. I'm not gonna dig too much into it. Just gonna show you. Oh, actually, I was trying to plant some roses not 2 months ago, I think, but I could never make it. So I had this. It's kind of a little. I tried to make a little base with the half a bottle, but it didn't work. Rose actually died, and the little sprout that came out of the stem, I couldn't plant it well accurately, so it died too. That's my back door. Oh, everything's so shiny. Wow. Okay, guys, so this is just a short video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you could enjoy the sounds of the nature, all the birds. It's really, really magnificent and relaxing. So I'm gonna leave you with a couple of minutes more of sound. I can't seem to focus, sorry. nice day, you guys. See you.